Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me these files and they're trying to engrave them on black slate, like coasters. They're not terrible, but they're washed out. So everything black on your file is going to engrave, everything white is not. So these graphics he sent me, all this is going to engrave and it's just going to wash out. I mean, there's no white background. I don't know how to, there's a way to swap the colors, but not if there's not any colors. I mean, this is either clear or brown or black. So on the file, he had these two Jeeps. So this is going to engrave in the white, but see, I've made them just basically the opposite. Really not very hard. And I'm going to make, let me see what my nudge factor is. This thing is less than 2. So I'm going to make a number of copies of this and put them down there. It's a little bit difficult just to change the colors. If we'll see, we'll go to effects and all the way down to transform and invert colors. That's going to work, except for we don't want the white now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start a new page. I'm going to right click and copy that and start a new page because I don't want those other graphics to be interfering with me. And you can see it's got white on it now. So I'm going to go to object order, back a page, and I'm going to have to ungroup it. But first, I'm going to try to make an outline of this guy because when we take some of the white away, there won't be any outline. So I'm going to try first to select it. There's no weld tool showing up. If we go to object and down to shaping and weld or boundary, and let's put I don't know why that does that sometime. Let's move the boundary out of the way. See, when I started a new page, it's my nudge size is different. That's pretty good boundary. So now what we can do is take this and go to edit, find and replace. I'm going to probably have to break this apart or ungroup it. I'm going to select the white. I'm going to, from selection, find all. And I am going to nudge them up out of the way. Well, a lot of times I have to group them, Control G. Now we might, well, I didn't, the windshield must be different than the other part of the car. Now see, then we get all black. And that's not what we want. But I'm still going to move it up. And see, these might be different colors. But I'm just worried about the main part of the Jeep right now. I need to find that white. Boy, it's way up in here. There it is. I need to find the white and right click and outline. So it's only that part of the Jeep. That doesn't help us. Let me back up. You know, some lasers don't engrave white. It might be the best to just leave this like this. And I would try this on a scrap piece of wood tomorrow before you do it on the slate. And then what you can do is take this boundary and we're going to make another copy of it, move the boundary over and see where some of the white tires, we can actually make it just a half a point and make it in black. Whoop. Right click black. So now you've got, this would probably be pretty good because if you're using RGB black and RGB white, I'd make sure it is. See, it's not even showing it's there. Tell you what, I was grabbing. So this is, make sure it's an RGB white. So I'm going to select it and that's what I should do. Take all that and make sure it's a RGB white. RGB whites normally don't engrave, but I would test it on a piece of wood. But see how the boundary adds to it quite a bit? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to group this together. And the sad thing is you're going to have to do this to every truck. Now, you know what? I'm going to stay on this page and I'm going to go borrow that mountain range I brought in, because you can still make it look pretty good. There's a mountain range. I'm going to copy it, work on this page, group it, paste it, and it is a vector. Let's see how clean it is. See, it's got some brown or gray. So the way to get rid of that type stuff is to left click, right click. And now it's, 2.5 is still going to be good for nudge. I can fill this in with a Smart Fill tool. And it's not going to be perfect, but for a 4-inch coaster, it's going to be pretty good. And then just fill in these little spots. And see, now you have no, if we take this and left click, right click, there's no double line. And if you have no interest doing something like this, just stop watching. Now, from here on out, do not move the Jeep. We're going to, we can move it right now, but from here on out, do not move it. And see there, this is exactly what we need. So I'm going to move it over one more time, and I'm going to bring in our mountain range. I'm going to group this together, Control G. I am not going to move the Jeep. I'm just going to move the mountain range. Okay, we don't want those black lines. The easiest way to do it, we could try trimming it and see if that worked. Nope, it didn't work. It just trimmed out the, what we can try though. Let's try back minus front. Nope, opposite, front minus back. There we go. We don't need that boundary anymore. And since we haven't moved it, we've nudged it. Our Jeep, I'd actually take away that little bitty sliver. We can use that with the virtual segment delete key. And then just move our Jeep back. And then just take your Smart Fill. And you could do it two ways. You could leave this as a thick line, and that might be the way to go. Have that engrave, or, you could fill in some of them or all of them. That's going to be gray and everything else is going to be black. Whoop. I actually got outside the line. That could possibly work. Now, I know he wants 4 Jeeps, and, the other one that he had on the other page, this one right here, would be really easy to do, I think, just like I did, because you could actually left click, right click, and take all this stuff away. You could almost it would take you a lot of time to fill in the areas that you want black. Let's move that back and let's make a duplicate of that, and left click, right click, and, just fill in other parts that aren't filled in. You could fill in the tires, like this is white, you could make that black. If we have a leak, it's going to leak. And it does. It worked. It's just going to take some time. But I'd be, happy with that on a coaster. It's telling you everything it needs to be. It's a 4x4 Jeep out in the mountains. I'm truly sorry I wasn't any more help, but that's the best I can do. And thank you for watching.